Hi everyone. Up to previous video we completed vegetative morphology. Now we are going to discuss about reproductive morphology. What is reproductive morphology? The study of forms and features of reproductive parts of plants like flower, fruit and seed called reproductive morphology. Under reproductive morphology we have to discuss about the flower, the fruit and the seed. So the very first one is the flower. Flower, known as the reproductive structure found in flowering plants, particularly the division angiospermae. The biological function of a flower is to affect reproduction, usually by providing mechanism for the union of sperm with egg. The flower structure contains the plant's reproductive organs and its function is to produce seeds through reproduction. After fertilization, portion of the flower develops into a fruit which contains seeds. A flower is modified shoot in which shoot apical meristem changes into floral meristem. Internodes do not elongate and axis gets condensed and the node floral appendages are found instead of leaves. Anthology. The study of flowers and flowering plants, particularly the poems on flowers called anthology. Floriculture. Analysis of cultivation of flowers called floriculture. Anthesis. The opening of flower bud during the flowering period of plant called anthesis. The very next topic is inflorescence. The arrangement and distribution of flowers and floral axis or peduncle of a plant is called inflorescence. The stalk of inflorescence is known as floral axis or peduncle or inflorescence axis. Inflorescences are three types such as racemose inflorescence, cymose inflorescence and special type of inflorescence. The very first one, racemose inflorescence. In this type, peduncle or floral axis grows indefinitely, which means continuously. On this indefinite or continuous peduncle, flowers grows either acropetal or centripetal manner. Acropetal manner. In this type, younger flowers are present towards the apex or top and the older flowers are present at the base. Centripetal. Here in this type, peripheral flowers are older or matured flowers. The center region flowers are younger or which are going to mature. Racemose inflorescence are of 7 types. Number 1, raceme. Number 2, corymb. Number 3, umbel. Number 4, spike. Number 5, catkin. Number 6, spadix. Number 7, head inflorescence or capitulum. Number 1, raceme. Raceme inflorescence again classified into 2 types. Number 1, simple raceme. Number 2, compound raceme. The very first one, simple raceme. In this type, peduncle is unbranched and it bears pedicellate flowers in an acropetal manner. Example, crotalaria, delphinium and radish. The second one, compound raceme or panicle. So, compound raceme is also called panicle. In this, peduncle is branched and each branch represents a simple raceme and possesses pedicellate and bisexual flowers. Example, Mangifera indica mango, yucca, gulmohar, neem, Delonix, margosa. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of simple raceme and compound raceme. See, in simple raceme, the above arrow mark shows it is showing indefinite growth. On this, they contains pedicellate flowers in acropetal manner. The bicidal one, compound raceme, it is branched. Each branch represents a simple raceme. Corymb inflorescence, which is again classified into 2 types. Number 1, simple corymb. Number 2, compound corymb. Number 1, simple corymb. An unbranched peduncle have pedicellate flowers in an acropetal fashion, but the lower flowers have long pedicels than upper ones. Due to this, all flowers are brought to the same level. Example: cassia, gynandrops, candytuft or iberis. Compound carym. Peduncle is branched and each branch represents a simple carym. Example: cauliflower, brassica or mustard and apple. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of simple carym and compound carym. In simple carym, peduncle grows indefinitely, which is indicated by arrow mark, and it contains pedicellate flowers in acropetal manner. The basal flowers contains long pedicels, the upper flowers contains short pedicels. Due to this, all are appear in same level. In compound carym, it is branched. Each branch represents a simple carym. In next video, we can discuss remaining types of racemose inflorescences. Thank you very much.